Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can properly use the map in Disney Dreamlight Valley. So if you press M on your keyboard, here you'll be able to see when you're able to harvest your vegetables, the ones that you grew, or even like fruits from trees, like when they respawned back. You can also select a character here, for instance, and know where they are, and there's going to be like this purpley blue thing, and it's going to guide you to them. Just select their character again if you don't want to follow them. And the last one is very useful. So go to map. You can go to anywhere in the valley without having to go to a wishing well. This only works though if you have opened all of your wishing wells. Well, not all, but just like some. You can also select the castle here, and you can go to the realms. You can go to the valley here, and you can also go to the Eternity Isle from the map. Unfortunately, you can't, like right now. I don't know, it's because I haven't opened it yet. Can't go from Eternity Isle back straight to the valley. I do hope that they have that in the future, because I'm a little bit lazy for like walking takes up a lot of time here sometimes, especially when you're going from Eternity Isle to the valley. So I hope they have that soon, or maybe I just haven't opened it yet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!